Hi students, hope you are doing well. In this section we are going to start part 1 of LanguageCert B2 Speaking. Let's get started. Describe your house or flat. My house is full of comfort and it is very beautiful building and it is fully decorated from inside and the interior designs are very attractive. One more thing I want to mention about my house is it is carpeted. It also has beautiful antique furniture within 5 rooms. How would you describe the neighborhood where you live? I would like to describe the neighborhood of mine in a very positive way because my neighbors are very friendly and they are very helpful. Be happy with them and spending my beautiful life with them from my childhood. Luckily, I have a lot of friends in my neighborhood and all of them are very nice and they are successful persons. What's the best thing about your house or flat? These are many things about my house which are so much positive. At first I want to say that my house is very peaceful and it doesn't have any kind of disturbance from outside. In other words, I want to say that I can sleep in every room where I would like because I will not hear any kind of disturbance like the traffic from outside. Actually, the architecture of this building, which contains the specifications that it will control the noise from outside. What sort of place would you like to live in? I would like to live in a countryside because I like the nature so much. So talking about more, I want to say that I like the greenery and the plants. Atmosphere of countryside is so much attractive as well as so much healthy. I'm lucky to have mountains and trees near my house. Our next topic is holidays. अच्छा हॉलीडेज का मैं ना यहाँ पे एक चीज़ मेंशन करना चाहता हूँ हॉलीडेज जो होती हैं वो वीकेंड्स नहीं होती ठीक है वीकेंड्स एक अलग चीज़ है हॉलीडेज वो चीज़ होती है जब आप कहीं पे छुट्टियां मनाने जाते हो ठीक है कहीं पे घूमने फिरने जाते हो व्हाट डू यू यूजली डू ड्यूरिंग लॉन्ग हॉलीडेज well in long holidays I enjoy so much because I have a lot of things to do at first I like swimming and after that I like cooking in nature. Moreover, I can do a lot of shopping and meet new people in different kind of areas and get a chance to know about the different cultures of my country. Can you tell me your favorite holiday? Yes, last summer I was in Islamabad city, which is also the capital city of Pakistan. I am a big fan of this city because this city is having a lot of facilities as well as it is within the mountains. We can also enjoy the mountains there and this city is full of trees and also the beautiful buildings. Do you like going to places which have a lot of tourists? Yes, I like to go within the places where a lot of tourists come in because in that way we can enjoy a lot and we can talk with them and we can also get to know about their different cultures and their dressing styles, also the accents of their languages. Where would you like to go on a holiday? I would like to go in Deutschland because Germany is my favorite country and it is a very beautiful country and if I get a chance to visit that country I will be so much happy because it is having different kind of cultures within that and it is very peaceful country and talking about more I want to say that it has the best economy. The people of this country are so much friendly and I also have a lot of online friends from Germany. I am also learning German language and passed A2 exam. What's your favorite type of music? Actually, I like different kind of music like hip hop, jazz and pop music. I want to say that all kind of music is very attractive to me. It depends upon the mood of mine and I like different kind of songs and even the songs from different kind of languages. When do you usually listen to music? I like to listen to music when I am sitting with my friends and in the background we play different kind of Pakistani traditional musics and also the Indian music. I want to mention one thing that the music can change our mind. It can also relax us and I feel so much happy while listening to the music while having conversation with my friends. Should children learn a musical instrument at school? Of course, I think that children should learn musical instruments at school because it can give them a chance in future to get in a field of music. They can also be a good musician in the future. I have learned playing basic piano instrument at my school. In what way have your tastes in music changed over the years? Yes, it also happens. Like when I was in school, I liked to hear fast music like rap songs, but now I am not fond of that. I like the qualities and slow music songs, classical music, especially the sad songs. What sort of climate do you have in your country? We are lucky to have four climates: spring, summer, autumn, winter. December and January are very cold in my country, and talking about the summers, June and July are the hottest months. What is your favorite time of year? My favorite time of year is the starting of spring season because in this season we can get a chance to see we can get because in this season we can get a chance to see new flowers and new plants and new leaves, so everything looks very fresh. Do you think the climate has changed in your country in your lifetime? Yes, we can say that because 10 years ago the climate was like 6 months warm and 6 months cold, but now the summer season is becoming lengthy day by day, and now 8 months of hot weather in our country and 4 months of cold. Would you prefer to live somewhere with a different climate? No, I don't think so because I'm so much happy in my life and in my city and I can enjoy all kind of weathers here, so I don't want to change my place for the climate. So much busy in my life. How often do you play sports? Only once in a week I like to play sport because so I don't have time. At weekends, especially on Sundays, I can play especially on Sundays I can play football with some of my friends. What sport would you like to try? I would like to try hockey because I have not played hockey in my life, so I am thinking to join a hockey club and play there, as hockey is the national sport of my country. Do you think there should be more spaces available for young people to do sports in your area? Yes, why not? There should be spaces available for young people to do sports as it is very beneficial for their mental and physical health. If the youth can get a chance to have different kind of spaces, they can play well and also make their future in sports.